Class 8, in last video we were able to complete our first chapter, an eventful summer, and we were we had done, in fact, question number 1, reading comprehension A part. Okay, so today we shall discuss the question answers. Let me tell you the how to write the answers of the given question. You see in your book, answer these questions. I'm telling you the answers not very clearly, but I'm giving you, I would like to give you the hint so that you could write it yourself in your own language. Okay, this will help you to increase your vocabulary, and even your it enhances your writing skills also. So try to write it yourself, but take care of the correct language and correct spellings. Clear? Now see question number 1. Describe the people of Mekong. As I told you that Mekong, what Mekong? You know that it is a sleepy little town with people who move very slowly because they are not in a hurry to get anywhere. They don't have money. They are not interested in leaving the town as well. So you have to describe the people of Mekong like this. Then question number 2. When did the children's parent meet? When did? Do you know the answer? When did they meet? The children's father met the children's mother while he was elected to state legislature. As it is written in the book, he was working, okay, to state legislature. At that time my father met, you know that. So you have to find out. I had given you the hint. Now when you do question answer, children, first you write question, then it answer, then leave one line so that it should look presentable, it should look good. Okay, and then you start the next question. Now what was so interesting about Redley Place? You know that the children believe that Redley Place was haunted place. Okay, haunted. Okay, and then you can write more also. I had given you the hint. Then question number 4. How did Jem and Scout usually spend their days? Scout and Jem usually spend their days playing outside in the safe zone between 2 doors to the north and 3 doors to the south, till California called them back. As I told you, California was very strict lady who has complete control over the children. Clear? So how they play, where did they play? You should know the answer. Now come to question number 5. Why was Jem impressed by Dill? He was impressed by Dill because he had seen Dracula, the film, whereas neither Jem nor Scout had any access to popular film. Even he performed the characters part also, and he used to read the stories for them. That's why they liked the Dill, sorry. Then come to next question. Do you think the 3 children became good friends? Do you think? Yes or no? Yes, the children became good friends because they were all interested in enacting plays from popular books. They spent their summer time together, and many more reasons are given in the book. Find out and write them. Now the C part, children. Read the sentences from the story and answer the given questions. So this is also reference to context, and I know that you all will be able to do it very easily. Jem and I heard something next door in Miss Rachel's. Okay, Jem and I heard something next door in Miss Rachel Haverford's collard patch. Who is I? Who is I? I refers to Scout, the narrator. What did they assume the noise to be? They assumed the noise to be a puppy. They assume that the dog of Miss Rachel is there. What did they find instead? What did they find instead of that dog? They found a boy called Dil. See children, if the question is asked in present tense, you have to give the answer in present tense only. If the question is asked in past tense, then change the answer in past tense. Give the answer in past tense only. What does the conversation that followed tell you about Jem and the narrator? Read the question. What does the conversation that followed tell you about the Jem and the narrator? Right now, Dil had not entered the scene. Clear? So, what it had tell you about this scout and Jem? What? That in the conversation that followed, that Jem start to later on, this was the scene when they heard, yes, Dil came into the scene because they heard a noise, and when they went there they saw that instead of dog there was Dil. Okay, so in the conversation that followed, Jem starts to talk to Dil first. They showed that Jem is the leader. Then Jem approves of Dil when he reveals that he had seen Dracula. Later on, they talk to each other, they spend time together, and they became friends. So after this conversation, what you have come to know, what you have found, or then and what it tells you about Jem and Dil, you have to write. Clear? Are you getting? And still, if you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Now, ever see anything good? This is the second part. See, ever see anything good? Who says these words to whom? These words are said by Jem. Jem says this line to Dil. What is being referred to here? Cinema or films, okay, are being referred to here. Ever see anything good means have you seen anything good? Means they were talking about cinema or films. Then how did the person spoken to respond? Who is the person spoken to? Dil. Okay, who is the person spoken to? Dil. The person spoken to, that was Dil, responded by saying that what he had seen Dracula, the film. What effect did response have on the speaker? Who is the speaker? Jem. Then what effect did response have on the speaker when Dil said that he had seen Dracula? How he reacted? How Jem reacted? The effect was one of the approval and respect, as I told you in the explanation, that he moved towards him and asked him very respectfully. Clear? Now the C part. Children, let's do the D part. Sorry. Based on what you have read about Dil, what kind of person do you think he is? Who is Dil? This question is talking about Dil. So Dil was an interesting person. He was very pleasant looking chap, okay, who was not afraid of ghosts. He liked plays and performed roles. He was also open to playing any role in the play, like the one Scout did not like to play. Clear? So you have to write, as everything is clear in explanation. Please do write it in a very good way. Do you think Dil bought a change to Jem and the narrator's summer? Give reason for your answer. Yes, of course. What can be the answer? Till Dil appeared, the narrator only spoke about how boring, dull and uneventful the summer was. They were talking about how boring the summer was. There was loneliness, there was no one to play, there was nothing is interesting. Yes or no? But when Dil appeared, things started happening. Things started changing. First introduction was a dramatic one. Then they came to know that he had seen Dracula, and which Jem approved also. And finally, all of these three children started spending their summer in what Scout called that routine contentment, with satisfaction, with interest, happily, and they also perform the part of the play. Now come to vocabulary. At last, the last question of the story. Okay, heave a sigh of relief, children. Take the correct meaning of the word or phrases in color. The sweltering heat. Now, out of these 4 options in your book, in your book C, the 4 options have been given. You have to choose the best one. The sweltering heat means wet, cooling, blistering, pleasant. Okay, what's the answer? Sweltering. Sweltering means what? You find out it yourself. Because this question I want you to consult dictionary and try to do it yourself and send answers to me. I want to know whether you are consulting your dictionaries or not to get the meaning of the difficult words. And if I find your answers wrong, then I will let you know the correct answer through your mail. Clear, children? So I want you to do these questions A part, B part, C and D, okay, in your copy in a very good handwriting and without making any spelling mistakes and incorrect language, dear children. Okay, thank you so much.